Yes, people, welcome to a comparison video between Framer and Figma. And we show you some pros, we show you some cons, and let's dive into the conclusion at the end. And if you have experience with Framer or Figma, please leave a comment below and let's share our experience together. That would be very nice. Well, let's dive into my computer and I will show you some aspects. Well, Framer and Figma are two popular design and prototyping tools used by designers, product teams and user experience professionals. Each tool offers unique features and capabilities, and in this comparison we will assess them based on various key aspects such as interface and design, for example, and that's where we're gonna start. Well, Framer is known for its advanced design capabilities, providing a comprehensive design environment for creating, integrate and interactive designs. It allows designers to create high fidelity prototypes with precise control over design elements. Well, and Figma, in terms of user interface and design, Figma offers a user-friendly interface with robust design tools. It's particularly strong and collaborative design with real-timing editing and commenting and a version history. Figma's design tools are more accessible to a wide range of users. Well, some important terms to review is prototyping and interaction. And Framer is highly specialized for interaction design, allowing designers to create complex animations and micro interactions. It's favored for creating interactive prototypes that closely resemble the final product. Figma also supports prototyping, but its capabilities are more basic compared to Framer. Figma's strength lies in collaborative design and rapid iteration. Well, collaboration. In terms of collaboration, Framer offers some collaboration features. It's primarily focused on individual designers and small teams. Collaboration features aren't as robust as those of Figma. Figma excels in collaboration. It allows multiple users to work on the same design file simultaneously, making it ideal for remote teams and real-time feedback. Commenting, version history and shared libraries are key collaborative features. Well, platform compatibility. Framer is primarily a desktop application, making it suitable for Mac OS users. It doesn't have a web-based version, which limits cross-platform access. Figma is accessible to a web browser, which makes it platform agnostic. It's compatible with Mac OS, Windows and Linux, making it a more versatile choice for cross-platform teams. Good to consider. Pricing. Framer's pricing is relatively high and often preferred by professionals and larger design teams. It offers a free trial but requires a subscription for full access to features. Figma offers a more flexible pricing structure. It provides a free plan with limitations and a paid plan that's more affordable for individual designing and teams. Figma's pricing often appeals to a broader audience. Well, design libraries and assets. Framer has a growing design asset library, but it doesn't offer the extensive shared libraries and design system capabilities that Figma does. Figma is well regarded for its design libraries and the ability to create and maintain design systems. Designers can share and access assets more easily within the Figma ecosystem. Well, the last one is hands-off and development. Framer is primarily a design and prototyping tool, so its hands-off and development capabilities are not as comprehensive. It focuses more on design and interaction aspects. Figma offers better support for design to development handoff with features like inspect mode, redialing, and export options, making it easier for developers to understand and implement the design. Well, in conclusion, in choice between Framer and Figma largely depends on your specific design needs and team dynamics. Framer is ideal for designers who prioritize advanced interaction design and have a preference for Mac OS desktop application. Figma, on the other hand, shines in collaborative design, platform compatibility, and accessibility. It's particularly well suited for remote teams and those who require extensive design system capabilities. Consider your design goal, team size, and budget when you're making your selection. And this was it. We come to an end of this conclusion between Framer and Figma. And please share your experience with other users. That would be helpful. Thank you for listening, and like this video, subscribe to my channel, and see you in next comparison. Thank you. Bye bye.